guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my favourite face creams and my favourite eye creams. I'm very cautious about my skincare. Since I was maybe about 14, I started using creams, and by about the age of 16, 17 I was using them daily, and I was using anti-wrinkle creams by the time I was 18, skin firming creams, and I use eye cream and face cream daily, sometimes even twice a day. So it's very important to me to find the ones that are best for my skin, best for my age, and prevent me getting wrinkles and things like that. So it's very important for me to get the right face creams, and I actually use a lot of different face creams and eye creams. I don't use the same one every day. I rotate creams because some do one thing, some do another thing, and I like to get a mixture of all the different ones, and all the ones I'm going to share with you are actually affordable or from the drugstore, so they're really affordable options. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with face creams. So I have 6 face creams that I alternate using. So I'm not going to put them in any particular order. I'm just going to go with it. So one is this one. This is the Simple Sensitive Skin Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream. Now, I love Simple, right? Simple is one of my favourite brands because it doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. It doesn't have any perfumes. It doesn't irritate your skin. It's just perfect. I love Simple. No smell to it. It is amazing. It just gets the job done. And this one is actually for dehydrated dry skin. I've mentioned on my channel recently that I went through a patch where my skin was so dehydrated and the life was sucked out of it, and my skin was just peeling constantly. I don't know what was going on. And I used this very regularly to try and repair my skin, and it did. It gave me such a water boost, a hydration boost. But I still use this now, even though my skin has repaired itself. I still use this on an alternate basis with the other creams because it's so good. It's so hydrating. It feels so nice on your skin, and really affordable as well, Simple. So I love this cream. Then we have the matte version of that product. So it's the exact same product but matte version. So this is the Simple Sensitive Skin Daily Skin Detox All Day Mattifying Moisturiser. So this is the hydrating one for dry skin. This is the matte one for oily skin, and I love this just as much as I love the other one. I use it just as often. Obviously it does what it says on the tin, mattifies your skin whilst also moisturising. So I don't know if you know this, but if you have oily skin, if you keep washing your face and stripping the natural oils from your skin, it's just going to produce more oil, more excess oil to replace the oil that's gone. So instead of just washing and stripping the oils from your skin, just apply a bit of a matte moisturiser, because actually moisturising helps your skin to produce less oil. So I love this one, and it's just as affordable as the other one. Then another one I like, but I use this more in the day. Those last two I use more in the night to sleep in. I use this as a day cream, so I'll apply this in the morning before I apply my makeup. And this is the Nivea Nourishing Day Cream 24-hour moisture for dry and sensitive skin. So obviously I do have sensitive skin, so I love to go for sensitive skin products. This was in different packaging before. I think it was in purple packaging. So I haven't actually opened this one, but it's the same thing, does the same job. And I just like applying this as a fresh start in the morning. Before you apply your primers or any kind of makeup, I just like to give my face some nice moisturiser, and this is perfect for doing that in the morning, and also really affordable. Nivea is a really affordable brand, so yeah, all good. Now another one is this one. It's also by Nivea. I'm currently using the sample size, but I have a big size as well. This is the Nivea Soft Face, Body and Hand Cream Refreshingly Soft Moisturising Cream. So I actually use this just as often as the other ones in my daily routine. It does what it says in the tin. It just moisturises. There's nothing special about this moisturiser, whereas the other ones are like hydrating or matte. This is just your average moisturiser, does the job, super affordable. This is kind of like my cream if my skin is good. So I don't need to put a really hydrating one. I don't need to put a really matte one. If my skin is having a good day, I'll just apply this one. Then we have a Garnier Skin Active Aloe Vera Hydrating 48-hour moisturiser. It has 96% of natural origin ingredients. I bought this when my skin was having major issues, but I still continue to use this now because I love aloe vera. It is one of my favourite things. It hydrates your skin, it repairs the skin, it's great for sunburn. I love it. Aloe vera is amazing and I still use this now. The only thing I don't like about this is that it stinks. I don't know what the smell is. It doesn't smell like aloe vera, it just smells really strange. I'm not so fussed on the smell on this, and it wasn't as affordable as the other ones, but still, I still use this cream. It's if you need like an instant really intense moisturizer to repair your dehydrated skin, for dry skin, try this one, because it really is intense and it really does fix your problems quite quickly. So try that out if you haven't already. And then my final face cream is probably my favorite one. It's this one here. Now I only discovered this recently, and I actually discovered it because my mother used it and she said, Chloe, do you want to try it? Loved it. So now it's like my favourite face cream. It's the Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Complete Beauty Day Cream. It has SPF 15 as well. I read on the box, I think it smooths out complexion, reduces redness, lifts your skin, hydrates your skin, anti-ages your skin. It does all these different things, but I threw the box away, but I remember reading those things. This cream, number one, it smells amazing. It's like the best smell I've ever smelled. Oh my gosh. I love it. And I think the smell reminds me of my childhood, because I remember my mother using this as a child and I always used to like sniff in her face because it smelled so nice. So I love the smell of it. But not only that, it feels so lightweight on your skin. It sinks in immediately. It's so lightweight. Your skin looks flawless with it on. It is by far the best day cream in my opinion. I think it was about £10. I can't really remember. But so worth it. It is such a good cream. You have to try this. Okay, now moving on to eye creams. Okay, so first up I have this one. This is the Nivea Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Eye Cream for all skin types. Now, if you are going to use eye cream, you have to get some form of anti-wrinkle. You don't necessarily have to use it every day, maybe every other day, every 3 days, but you have to have anti-wrinkle cream. And I mean this now, no matter what age you are, if you're 15, 16, you need to start using anti-wrinkle creams now. Seriously, you really do. I've been using anti-wrinkle cream since I was about 16, and I'm so grateful that I did, because I don't have any wrinkles around my eyes whatsoever, no form of wrinkles, and hopefully that continues. But I use this every other day or every 3 days, and it is so important. I know you think you don't need to use an eye cream, or you don't need to use an anti-wrinkle eye cream, but you really do, and you really need to start as young as possible using it. Seriously, trust me guys, you've got to trust me on this one. I think this was like £12. It wasn't the most affordable option, but eye creams are really expensive nowadays because they're so good and they're so important. You need to try them, honestly. This is a really good one. Right, now I also got this one. This is the Olay Deep Hydrating Eye Gel. I bought this when I was having really major issues with my dry skin. I used to have like dry patches all over my eyelids. My eyelids looked like they were peeling from sunburn. It was so strange. And I saw an advert for this, and it is like super intense hydrating eye gel cream. It doesn't have any anti-wrinkle properties or firming properties. It's just hydration. So maybe don't use this one every day. Use this maybe every few days. But if you need instant hydration in your eyes, use this because it is so good at repairing your eyes. It is really good. I can't remember how much it was, maybe about £10. I think most of the eye creams are around £10 to £12 anyway. My next one is this one. It's the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Eye Transforming Cream. I wish I had the box. Let me Google it, because there's 7 things that this does, and it's like the ultimate eye cream basically. It smoothens fine lines, and wrinkles, reduces the appearance of dark circles, enhances brightness, reduces the look of puffiness, evens skin tones, smoothens and evens skin texture, and replenishes moisture. So those are the 7 things that it does. And when I first saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, this has colour to it. It looks like a foundation colour. But when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't have any colour to it, but it has slight shimmer to it. So it's like a sparkly type cream, which is a bit strange, but there's no colour to it, so don't worry, you can sleep in it. This is like the ultimate all-in-one cream. It has everything that you need in one, and I think it was about 12 or 13 pounds, so it wasn't really affordable, but it literally does everything in one. So if you are looking for one type of cream, try that one out. It is really, really good. Okay, my next one is like the sister to this day cream. It's the Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Complete Beauty Eye Cream, and it says it's anti-wrinkle, firming and radiance boosting. So something you really need to look for is firming and anti-wrinkle. And I really like this cream. I haven't been using it as often as the other ones, similarly to this one, but they make an amazing duo. So if you buy one, buy the other one. It's a great match, and they're both really, really good products. Okay, my final eye cream is this one. This is the Boots Expert Skincare Sensitive Hydrating Eye Cream Aloe Vera. So this is an aloe vera eye cream. Obviously I bought this when I was having major issues with my skin, but still it's a really nice hydrating eye cream. This is actually much more affordable than the other options. I think this was only about £8. So it is, and it's for sensitive skin as well, but it is more of a hydrating, skin boosting type eye cream rather than anti-wrinkle. It says it relaxes tired eyes, reduces puffiness, and leaves your skin nourished and moisturized. So that's what it does. But it's obviously a more affordable option if you are looking to try it, and it's really good. And I don't think it smells as badly as the other one, the other aloe vera one. No, it doesn't smell really much, so that's good. Now I have 2 special mentions. They're not face creams and they're not eye creams, but they are water type booster things. So first one I'm going to mention is this one. This is the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Booster. Now this is like literally gel liquid, and you add it to your moisturiser to give your moisturiser more hydration. So for example, I might mix this with this cream if I'm having a particularly bad day, just to moisturise my skin and hydrate my skin even more. So this is kind of something that you would mix with something if you're having a particularly bad hydration day, and it's really affordable as well. But my favourite one has to be this one. This is the Vitamin C Detox Skincare Invigorating Skin Booster. I got this from Superdrug a few years ago because I bought it for the lead up to my wedding to make sure my skin was extra hydrated and extra amazing. And this obviously gives you vitamin C, which is amazing for your skin. It really hydrates and boosts your skin. It's kind of like a gel dropper type thing. So you drop, you do the same thing as the other one. You drop it into your normal moisturizer to give you that vitamin C boost. And it says it detoxifies your skin, it's infused with vitamins, leaves skin softer and brighter, and it has all these natural ingredients in it, and it also smells amazing. It smells like oranges, so definitely worth trying. It's something that I didn't think of until I did some research, but you really do need vitamin C in your skin. It is amazing, so worth a try. So yeah, that completes this video. These were all my face and eye cream recommendations. Obviously I know there was a lot to think about. Maybe just try 1 or 2 to start off to see if you like them, and maybe just try the all-in-one if that's easier for you. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos, and let me know in the comments what your favourite face cream and eye creams are. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!